Some biggest headlines of today. Firstly, Indian cricketer Rishabh Pant invested 7.40 crores for 2% stake in techjockey.com, a software marketplace helping small business to fuel its expansion into the US. Secondly, Airbnb partnered with Flyhomes, a division of Leverage Edu, to offer short-term accommodation for Indian students staying abroad, easing their transition to permanent housing. Thirdly, EdTech unicorn Physics OLA raises $210 million in Series B funding at $2.8 billion valuation, led by Hornbill Capital to fuel its expansion, acquisition, and AI-driven initiatives. Fourth, Sharp Corporation is seeking India partner to establish a display fabrication facility under the Indian Semiconductor Mission, aiming to replicate its successful partnership in countries like China, Korea, and Taiwan. Fifth, Noida-based startup Astrotalk doubled its revenue to 651 crores and raised funding of $300 million in FY24, reaching a $300 million valuation with 20% of revenue from the international markets and 5% from the e-commerce sales. 6. Deepak Gupta, brother-in-law of Ashneer Grover, is accused of directing vendor Bansal, who was arrested for his involvement in management of fund from bharatpe, from an internal investigation that uncovered multiple irregularities after Grover resignation. 7th, Phonepe captured 50% of UPI transaction volume in August, processing 7.23 billion transactions worth rupees 10.33 lakh crores ahead of Google Pay and Paytm, according to NPCI data. 8th, Ola Electric is projected to reach EBITDA break-even by FY27, with a five-fold increase in vehicle volume and 40% annual revenue growth, as per Goldman Sachs. Despite recent revenue stagnation, the company maintained 32% market share with plan to launch new EV models including motorcycles and e-rickshaw. 9th, the Adani Group is poised to acquire a 46.64% promoter stake in IDT Cementation India for approx 6,000 crores, enhancing its infrastructure portfolio and civil engineering capabilities, with a formal announcement expected soon. And for more news like this, you can follow us.